unloading guys here in Edmonton. Nakadali tayo ng pangarga 7 axle between Christmas and New Year. Yep. Nakadali tayo ng isang biyahe. Kasi ano na, New Year na mamaya, December 31st. Umalis tayo ng December 27 going to Tacoma, then balik tayo dito December 31st. Bumatso SM 400 karga natin 7 after. Ito guys yung yard ng